Right.
Thank you. Thank you.
See, in real world, there is also two kind of people exist. One is good kind of people and the bad kind of people. So similar way in cybersecurity, there is two type of internet. Good internet, which we call good internet, and one is a bad type of internet. So I think most of the know people know what this means. So any idea what I'm talking about? Good internet, bad internet. Just try it. It's very easy. You might have heard many times.
Good in a way that's it's ethical, and then the bad is like hacker and whatnot,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
dark
right.
web and stuff.
Yeah. See, in when we are talking about good internet, it's like simple Google, YouTube, whatever we are doing good stuff, right? YouTube or Gmail, Facebook, WhatsApp, all kind of thing. Normal surfing, searching and things. And when I say bad internet, it's a dark web. You might have heard these terms, right? Dark web. All the uh, illegal activity happens here itself only. Selling of drugs, uh, guns, whatever they are doing, or whenever they steal any kind of data of any company, any individual, where are they are selling? They cannot sell in this world. They have to go in this world to sell uh, their data. So whenever you have seen ki company's data is getting breached, 1 million data, 2 million data. So where they are selling? They are selling on dark web. So this bad kind of part of internet is called dark web. And how they are going to access the dark web? This way it is next to impossible to access the dark web. So what's happened? So they surf the dark web, and whenever they surf the dark web, their identity is been hidden. Sorry, they are not. No one is able to know who is the person doing what kind of things. Whenever you do things here, you will go register to your ISP internet service provider by giving your identification number. So whenever you do serve this thing, your IP address get recorded, and whatever you do, if you do illegal activity, then your from your registered IP address, your address can be traced out. But whenever we are sorry, whenever any hackers or person is doing any illegal stuffs, so they serve the dark web, and their IP address is next to impossible traceable. It's because some of the country don't there don't exist the cyber law, or they don't allow uh, IP to be getting tracked. The country like China, country like Netherlands, some kind of country. So there it is not possible. So we are going to see how this dark web works and which software is there. So just yeah. So you might have heard about Tor VPN. Second, using DuckDuckGo. You heard about these two things, Tor VPN and DuckDuckGo.
Yeah.
Yeah. So similar way, see when I'm using a normal word, when I'm surfing normal things, see what is my IP address. So here we can see this is my IP address. But when we are using a dark web, so we are using a Tor browser. This is a Tor browser used to serve the dark web. It's nothing but it's become a VPN. And what is a VPN? Within 2 minutes, we're going to see. So when you open this Tor browser, by the time this Tor browser opens, let's see this thing. See, Tor browser is nothing but it is a VPN. So what's happened? So whenever you access the internet, right? From suppose you are here and you wanted to access the internet, you're directly going to the internet and your IP address, something whatever it is getting captured 45 dot something something something. But when you use Tor, it's you are here. It's creating a VPN. It's a virtual private network. So what's happened? It is breaking this connection, and Tor browser is coming in between, and in your behalf, this Tor browser is communicating. Means your IP address you are connecting to Tor browser, and your IP address will getting a change to something uh, 49 example 49 44. So whenever anyone so your IP address previously was 45 dot something something. Now your IP address is changed to 49 dot something something. So whenever someone will try to capture the things, he will see your IP address as 49 dot xxx, not the 45 dot something. So this way it is quite difficult to get the to capture the person who is doing what. So can you see this screen? See,
No, sir.
yeah, sorry. This is a Tor browser which I open. It is making a connection, establishing a connection. So it is making a connection to other server. Means it is breaking the connection between me and internet, and it is coming between. I'm not directly surfing the internet. I'm first browsing this Tor browser, and Tor browser in my behalf communicating over the internet. If you see here, I'm typing what is my IP address. See here, can you see this is the my IP address it's showing. And here, if I go with the normal browser, this is the IP address it's showing. See here, can you see this is my actual IP 200167 something IPv6 here. IPv6 address is getting changed 240 sorry 2402. So this is the way people browse this thing what you call dark web by changing the IP address. So this is the way people see here what country name it's showing. Can you see South Australia country Australia. But where I'm sitting in Mumbai, Maharashtra, Tata Play. Here, what country it's showing? South Australia. So this way, uh, people access the dark web. But whenever you are accessing dark web, you should not do illegal things. This is a disclaimer. And the second thing is DuckDuckGo. Okay. It is for in normal word what we use Google. But when you go in dark web to access the dark web, you also use DuckDuckGo because it don't saves your data. It is also available or in the Play Store, Apple Store as well. So here, this is a DuckDuckGo. It don't store your any kind of data. Means whatever you are doing, it is not getting stored as a history. So it will delete your complete history. So whatever you are doing. So there might be a question. Key, I'm using a Google's incognito mode, but still incognito mode is or normal Google. Both are the same. So what people are using DuckDuckGo. This is a search engine to browse the dark web. So this is the two things what people are using. One, Tor browser, which is creating a VPN. Second is this DuckDuckGo to access the dark web search engine. So whatever you are doing search here, it is not getting stored. See, right? See, it is creating a private thing, everything. So nothing is getting stored in this DuckDuckGo browser. It is also available over the Play Store or your Apple, sorry, what's Apple Store. One and the second, whenever data is getting stealed, right? So what they are stealing, email ID, your username, everything. So where they are selling those kind of things. So other website is I have Pond. So this is a website where they sell all kind of their data.
Sir, that why what is my IP address screen is visible, not the whiteboard.
See where they are selling all those kind of things. So this is a website where if your data is getting breached over the dark web, so where they are selling all those kind of stuffs. So this is a website where they sell your complete data. So if your email ID has been getting breached by somewhere or something, so if you are the victim of uh, y- your data is getting breached, you can put your email ID and see. So anyone in front of the laptop, can they share the hello? I'm audible? No one is in front of the laptop.
Sir, I can
Okay.
share the screen.
Yeah, please. What's your name?
Khyati.
Kathy. I'm making you host. Just open this website.
Which website, sir?
I have been pawned.
Have I been on that
Pawned.
one?
Yeah, yeah.
It's PW.
Let me share this website.
Okay. Yeah, it's open.
Open. Right. Just share the screen.
Yeah. Is it visible?
No, it is not visible. Yeah, yeah, now it is visible. So just put your email ID of Gmails here. Here, yeah, in here.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, just put your email ID. Mm,
Yeah.
mm. Just search it. Just search it. See, your email ID is just come down. So email
Yeah.
ID is got breached in 4 breaches. Just come down, come down. Yeah, see, when Big Basket so breach happened in 2020, in that time your email ID has got breached. In 2022 also, Gravatar, I don't know what this software. Here also, there is a breach of 167 million data, and in that also your e- email ID, your data were involved. Then in 2021, India Mart, there also your email ID and your data has been got breached. And also in Pixel in 2020 also, your email ID has been getting breached. See, can you tell me what is this SHA-512 hashes means, class? No, just come down here.
Okay.
Yeah. So what this means? Anyone tried? We have already studied 2 times.
We studied, yes. It's like hashing method.
Yeah, right. It is hashing method. So these 4 website, 4 times your email ID, phone number, address, it's got breached. It got compromised, and it is sold over these websites. Just go up. So in this case, this is a website where you can see if your data or your email ID is got breached or not by putting this email ID. If any email ID you can put my name, Indresh, my name and the surname.
Sorry.
Mm. INDRESH CHAUCHAURASIA @gmail.com. Yeah, see mine also. It's got breached in 3 times in India Mart, Adobe, and this kind of things. This all website. Domino's also there is breach happened in 2021. See, in 2016, LinkedIn data breach happened. In 2021, LinkedIn data breach happened. So in this case, my email ID, my data has been getting breached. In 2013, Yatra.com's breach happens. So in that also my email ID has been found to be getting breached and sell over the dark web. So in see what kind of breach happened in Yatra, date of birth, email address, name, password, phone number, physical address. So if you think you are surfing this kind of website and your data is safe, so you have to think twice. So in this case, so whenever you see this kind of data breach happen, so you have to change your password regularly, or whenever you are using this kind of websites, you have to make a 2 email ID. One email ID where for genuine things, and second email ID whenever it gives the option to log in with the Google or some kind of thing, so that you can be safe from the spam and all those things. So this is a website where you can see if you go up, yeah. So in place of my now add my AWS in this Chorosia AWS. Yeah, now search. See, this is the second website which I use for the personal thing. The good news, no point found means this email ID of mine is not getting breached anywhere, and that email ID is got breached 6 7 times. So company uses this website to trace all the datas uh, over the dark web. Now, yeah, make me a host. Kathy. So any question on this?
Sir, how do I make
Yeah.
you? Okay, my host.
Okay. So any question on this? Have I been found on this thing?
No question, sir.
So for the first software you said is Tor software, right?
Yeah,
T
Tor.
TOR.
I will send you link Tor browser.
Okay.
And the second search engine is DuckDuckGo. It is also available on Play Store, also available on Apple Store as well. Just if anyone, sorry, everyone having a mobile, just whether you are saving Google or iOS, just type DuckDuckGo on your mobile, so Play Store or Apple Store, whatever the store. Are you able to see that thing?
Yes.
Yeah. So that's the thing. Just download this thing, DuckDuckGo. Don't worry, it is completely safe. I'm not telling you to download something which is not legal. So when you download this DuckDuckGo, you can see on the middle there is a
It's paid.
it
It's
is
asking for.
no, DuckDuckGo is free. See, if what mobile you are using, Apple or Samsung, or sorry, iOS, sorry, or Android. So if
Yeah,
you are using,
Androids.
see, if you
Yeah,
are using an
it's
Android,
it's done. Yeah.
yeah, if you are using Android, so you can see this fire symbol. In that, it will clear all the data, clear all tab and the data. Like this way, it will burn or finish all your data. So this way, people are using this DuckDuckGo search engine to hide
Your
their
screen is
ad.
not visible.
No, no, I'm just telling. It's
Oh,
in
okay.
mobile. You have
Okay.
to see
Okay.
in the mobile like this. So like this way, these are the things which we are this to access to dark web it is using. Now I'm sharing this thing. Now second thing is like VPN. So similar way there is a proxy thing. Can you see this? The same way in Tor browser there is a wider range of proxies there, which is called S5. It is paid one where you can surf 10 countries. You can connect to 10 countries data VPN and you can change your IP address 10 times. It is getting open. Till the time it is getting open, we will see the this what you call email security. So this is the reason why I wanted to show you that website. Now we are going to see the email security. See, when we are scanning the email, see the way we are scanning IP address, IP address to secure the network, to secure the application. The similar way we scan the email ID. And to scan this email ID, this is a 19 parameter. It's been used to scan the email ID and all the status should be passed. If anything is showing failed, means there is a issue in your uh, email of companies. So this is based on the three things. One, SPF record. Second, DKMI key. And third is demarcation point. So what all this we are going to study these things. See what
Some tag, some
hell,
tool or
your voice is not audible. It's breaking.
you said that we have scanned the email system, so
Yeah,
we
right.
have used some tool for that.
Yeah, we are using a tool for that similar
Okay.
same tool, Nexus and
Same tool.
Qualys.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
Nexus
Okay.
and
Okay.
Qualys. And
So
third
they can
tool,
they can scan the emails also.
yeah,
Email thing.
yeah, thing also. So we are going to see, don't worry, everything we are going to see as a demo as well.
Okay.
Okay. So what's happened? See, So my screen is visible to everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what's happened? So there is a centralized authority like GoDaddy. GoDaddy. So similar way. So what this happens? So every company, whomsoever is there existing. So what they do? They are having email ID, right? So they register their DNS to this centralized body. When they register their DNS, they register domain name, IP address, and this DNS IP address has been bind with the email ID of companies. So now my company XYZ has been registered. The way we have to register to form the company, we have to follow certain guidelines. The similar way, if you're getting email box of for your company, you have to follow certain guidelines. You have to register your DNS, IP address, your company's some kind of data you have to provide, and it will getting registered. So once it is registered, it is making a key. It is called SPF, Sender Policy Framework, and it will give you a key. And that key is called digital signature. By like, see, if I wanted to create a digital signature, I will go and I will provide something like my social security number, Aadhaar number, some kind of thing, and it will give, issue a particular key to me, and which will a secret. So it's called DKMI. DKIMI key. So this way, my identity has been registered. So whenever I'm sending a email ID, and I'm receiving an email ID, whenever I'm receiving an email ID from the sender, so I will be knowing that this email ID is safe and everything is fine because everything data is been registered with this centralized body. If I'm not registering anything to centralized body, then whatever I'm receiving, it will coming as a signaling as a danger thing. You do not trust such kind of email ID or